Westwood High is represented this evening by Team Captain Tene Johnson, Chanel Brown, Cadicia Farron, and Monila Nicholson. While Excelsior High is represented by Tahili Chin, Team Captain Devontae Pottinger, Adriel Hulong, and Lacey Ann Absalom. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to round one of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. The first of this evening's doubleheader. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Westwood High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Westwood High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so please, may I have that time on the clock? And with that, Westwood High, we begin with English language. Which word in this sentence is a demonstrative pronoun? This is my mother's bookcase, which I made myself.
This.
Correct. English language, Excelsior High. Which word in this sentence is a reflexive pronoun? These shoes were made by the excellent cobblers themselves.
Themselves.
That's right. International Affairs, a visual one for Westwood High. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Benin.
That's right. International Affairs for Excelsior. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed now.
Uganda.
No, it's Belarus. General knowledge for Westwood High. Which Caribbean country is the birthplace of steel pan?
Steel pan. Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago.
That's right. Excelsior, your general knowledge question. Which specific Caribbean island is said to have derived its name from tobacco?
Tobago.
That's right. Geography, Westwood. Approximately how many Earth years does it take the planet Saturn to orbit the Sun?
Saturn. All right. 165 years. 165 years.
No, it's still 30 years. Geography, Excelsior. Approximately how many Earth years does it take the planet Neptune to orbit the Sun?
165 years. 165 years.
Very good. Music and audio clue for Westwood High. Listen to the following clip. Identify the singer by her current name.
Be dead right now. Hungry and all a beg right now. Who am blessed without a bed right now?
Sister Scully. Sister Scully.
No, it's Minister Marion Hall. Excelsior. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer, please.
Marcia Griffiths.
No, that's Sister Scully. Hurry up. Chemistry, Westwood. In which group of the periodic table is the element germanium?
12.
14. Chemistry, Excelsior. In which group of the periodic table is the element arsenic?
13.
No, 15. Westwood High. Theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Gary Oldman.
No, it's John Wayne. Theatre and cinema for Excelsior. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Who is that? Gary Oldman.
No, it's Charlie Chaplin. Mathematics, Westwood. When the square of a certain number is doubled and 8 is subtracted from it, the result is 20. How is that represented as an equation if the number is y?
If the number is y, 2y squared minus 8 equal 20.
Very good. Mathematics, Excelsior. When 7 is subtracted from 3 times the cube of a certain number, the result is 31. How is this represented as an equation if the number is k?
Give me the answer.
3k cubed minus 3k cubed minus
Say it
7
now.
equals
3k cubed minus 7
equals
equal
21.
Equals
21.
31. 31. Sport, a visual one for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Wilfred Zaha. Wilfred Zaha.
No, it's Johan Wissa. Sport for Excelsior. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
You know him? Murphy. Murphy.
Murphy.
No, Brian Mbumo, both professional footballers. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Westwood High on 4 points, Excelsior High just behind on 3. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay with us, schools. Challenge quiz 56 returns right after these messages.